Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to VESA mount your Dell monitor. As you guys can see, this is the stand that came with the monitor, so we need an adjustable stand. That's what I'm going to show you guys today. If you guys are interested, the Amazon link is in the description for both the monitor and the stand. Over here, you guys will see it's going to be the first step of the installation guide. Over here on the left side, there is a panel you're going to remove, and of course over here in the middle there is another one. This is actually where you're going to install the VESA arm, so you're gonna have a nice adjustable monitor. But take note, we need to move this monitor to a soft surface if we're going to install a VESA mount. So make sure you have something soft down there. I'm just going to use the mouse pad. Over here is the stand. As you guys can see, you guys just press that button down there and you can gently just remove the stand. It just slides out. It's really easy, but this is the hardest part. As you guys can see, there is 4 screws already in this monitor. This is where the VESA mount arm is actually going to go. So we're going to have to remove all 4 of these screws. So let me quickly just make it fast and simple for you guys to follow through. As you guys can see, we basically remove one of these, and this is actually how they look. So make sure to not lose these, because this is actually what we're gonna use for the VESA arm. Over here, guys, we're just going to speed this up so you guys can get a faster idea of how and when to kind of remove all these screws. Okay guys, so there you go. As you guys can see, it's that easy. All 4 of them are now removed. This is the VESA arm I will be using. Of course, get it down below on Amazon. It's not really expensive. It's basically a budget VESA arm, but it's already a step up with the monitor stand that comes with the monitor. You're basically just going to place these screws into the holes over here with your hands, and then we're going to tighten them later with the Phillips screwdriver. But over here, you guys can see, you're gonna basically hold that side down because it's not secured yet with the screws, so you don't bend anything. Then we're going to quickly move that side, and as you guys can see, now we can basically just fasten all the screws, and now it's secured. It's that easy. Hopefully you guys followed through with this, but man, this is how the monitor looks, guys, with the VESA mount. I feel like it looks so much better than the normal stand. This is a budget monitor, but the thing is, with the stand, it kind of really looks premium. As you guys can see, we have some Fortnite over here, and I really think it looks a lot better. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this fast guide. I'll link the video up here in the right side corner. This video is actually about the unboxing and review of this monitor if you guys are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.